frequency counts for unique values in a NumPy array. How do I efficiently obtain the frequency count for each unique value in a NumPy array?
Take a look at np.bin_count. This URL. And then or however you want to combine the counts and the unique values.
Use this. Original answer. Use sippy.stats.itemfrec, warning, deprecated.
Using Pandas module.
Use numpy.unique with return_counts equals true for numpy 1.9 plus. In comparison with sippy.stats.itemfrec.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.